So how do you power down the iPad? Let me show you some ways how you're going to do this, and there are actually more methods. So if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So the most common method, which has been here for the whole time, is to hold down the iPad, the side button, like the power button, and the volume down button at the same time. So you perform this, like you hold on these two buttons. At the same time, you're going to get the slider to power off and the iPad will be turned off. That is one method. The other one is by going to the control center, and in the top right corner, there is the off button. So you can as well just hold down on it. No physical buttons need to be pressed for it. But once you click this, then again, the power off slider will appear. So you need to slide to power off and your iPad will be powered down. And the last method to do it is by going to the settings and part of the general section. At the bottom completely, we have the shut down button. So this does exactly the very same thing, which makes the slide to power off appear. So you just have to slide your finger across the screen and the iPad will be powered down. So that is how it's going to work. There isn't really much else to it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.